Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can sync contact from your Google account in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, to do that, go to the settings option, and here on the search button just search mail. Go to the mail apps, and here you can see mail account. Click that option. And if you are not already added your Gmail onto this, just simply click add account, click Google, and after that it will bring you to the login page. Just simply log in your Gmail, go back, and it will look like this. Click that Gmail account and make sure that you turn on the contact toggle, and after that your contact will be synced on your account, on your iPhone account. So to see that, go back to the contact. And as you can see, all the Gmail contact is now synced in my account. If it's not a sync, then just simply close the app and do it again, and you can see all the accounts is synced on your iPhone. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next one.